Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Autotrader. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in autotrader.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Autotrader website. Now, from the homepage, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner. So just click on it and then click on sign in once again. Now, within this page, you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. In order to reset these credentials, click on Forgot Your Password and you will be asked to enter your email address. Type in your email address that you have used to sign up for your account and click on the Send Code button. You can also use your Google, your Apple or your Facebook accounts. Now, just check your inbox and you will find the verification code that you will need to enter in order to reset your password. Just type in this verification code and then type in your desired new password for your account. Then type this new password once again for confirmation and then click on the Save New Password button. Once you click on this button, your password will be reset and you will now be able to use this new password in order to continue logging into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Autotrader. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.